Hello everyone, welcome back, and I will show you how to use CyberGhost VPN on your Android device. Also, if at any point you'd like to give CyberGhost a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. So without further ado, let's get started. CyberGhost is a great VPN service that allows you to surf the internet securely and privately. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use CyberGhost VPN on your Android device. The first step is to download CyberGhost VPN from the Google Play Store. To do this, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and search for CyberGhost VPN. Once you find the application, click on install and start the download and the installation process. Now, after CyberGhost finished installing, go ahead and launch it. After opening the app and accepting the terms and conditions, you can now sign in or create an account. If you already have a CyberGhost VPN account, sign in with your login credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Create an Account button to create a new account. Once you're signed in, you can now choose a server location to connect to. The app will show you a map of various server locations to choose from. To connect to a server, simply tap the location you want to connect to, then click on the Connect button to connect to the VPN server. Once connected, you will see a message saying you are now connected to the CyberGhost VPN network. Now, if you want to change the VPN settings, click on the Settings button in the top right corner of the app. From there, you can change your server location, enable or disable features like ad blocking and data comprehension, and more. And finally, whenever you want to disconnect from the VPN, simply click on the Disconnect button in the app. It's important to note that CyberGhost has a refund policy if you're not satisfied with the service. For a 1-month plan, a 14-day money-back guarantee is available. For a 6-month plan, a greater subscription, you have a 45-day money-back guarantee. So this is how easy it is to download and install and use CyberGhost VPN on your Android device. Now you have the ability to surf the web and browse securely and privately without the risk of having any personal data leaked. CyberGhost is a great VPN choice for all your browsing needs. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in CyberGhost, you'll find the discount link available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys, and like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.